Hi guys, it's Emma again, and today we continued our trading and overclocking our deposit. But I got a very interesting question, very interesting request. The guys asked me about the proofs that the platform provides withdrawal money with no problem. And yes, I will show you in this video how to withdraw money and to withdraw money with no problems with QUOTEX platform, because I have never had any problems with QUOTEX platform. Usually my money is withdrawing 2 or 3 hours, and I'm absolutely sure that everything here is very safe. So today I will show you all the details. You can see it yourself. So let's get started. And of course, do not forget, subscribe to the channel, put your like, come to my Telegram, write me the code word private to get added in the special private chat with the trading signals that I post, with the positive trading signals, with the yield of 85%. It's very crazy. I think so. Yes. So let's get started and come to the link in the description under this video. Do not forget. Let's come on. So guys, today we're trading on QUOTEX platform, and our deposit today is $1, and I will try to overclock it up to $7,000. Why not? And if I'm succeeded, I will request to withdraw this money, of course. So guys, first citation for our trade is a resistance level. We can see a big green candlestick and possibly approaching down level. That's why we are going to wait, and if this level will be touched by the price, I would like to open a trade with down, expecting a downward pullback of the resistance level for 1 minute. Here's the price approaching the level, and I'm opening a trade with down. Let's wait for the results. It's great. There was a pullback of the resistance level, and here we're getting the first profit. Well done. Let's continue. Here there is a support level. Also we can see the price pullback after touching this level. At the moment the price is approaching the level again, and I'm going to open a trade with down for 3 minutes, expecting the price keeping going down. Let's see the results. That's great. The price moved down after there was a pullback up, but we have got our profit. I would like to open a trade here again. We will open a trade with down for 2 minutes, and I expect the price keeping moving down, perhaps breaking through this level. So let's open a trade with down. Well, it's good. The price keeps moving down, we have got our profit, and everything is going well actually. The price approached the level, then it was a small flat, and there was a pullback up. So I would like to open a trade with down for 2 minutes and with the reserve, with the same expectations as before. So guys, let's wait for the results. It's excellent, guys. The price keeps moving down and the level has been broken through. We have got the brilliant profit here. So let's move on to the next citation. Here's the resistance level. You can see the price is coming to the level and sticking to it. I think that the price will keep moving up and we will see it breaking through the level. So I would like to open a trade for 3 minutes, expecting the possibility of downward pullback, after which we will see the upward move. So guys, I'm opening a trade with up for 3 minutes. It's great. After a little pullback, the price goes upper and we have got the profit. The resistance level hasn't been broken through yet, and also we see that there is no pullback down, but there is a little flat here and the price is sticking to the level of course. So I would like to open a trade here again with up for 3 minutes. So let's wait for the results. It's excellent. The price is keeping to move upper and we have got the profit. So let's go on. Here is the support level, you can see. Also, we can see that the price is approaching the level quite impulsively. The level is touched by the price at the moment, and I open in a trade with up. For 1 minute, I think it's enough. So, guys, I'm going to get a little pullback up. So, let's wait for the results. It's great, there was a pullback of this level and we have got the profit. So we have $42 in our deposit, so let's keep on our trading. I decided to open the next trade here again after watching the price movement a little. I think that the price approached the level trying to touch, but there was a pullback to the internal resistance level, so I'm opening a 3-minute trade with down. I think that the price will keep going down and we will get the profit. So let's see what happens. Excellent! After a little pullback up, the price kept to move down to the support level and we have got the profit. So let's go on. Here is the support level, you can see. Also, we can see quite strong downward moving. There's some space to the main support level, so I would like to open a trade with down for 2 minutes, expecting the price lower. So we will have some time to close this trade with the profit, I'm sure. So let's wait for the results. Well, not bad. After a little pullback, the price moved down and 2 minutes were quite enough here and we have got our profit. So let's continue. Here's a strong downtrend. Also, we can see the price is moving quite impulsively. I would like to open the trade with down for 3 minutes. I think the price will keep moving down to the support level, yes. So let's wait for the results. Excellent, the downtrend has continued and we have got our profit again. So let's move on to the next situation. Here we can see the resistance level. Also, we see the price has touched the level. There was a pullback upwards and at the moment it is approaching the level again. And I suggest to watch here how the price will come to our level. And in accordance with this, we'll open a trade. So, because if the price comes to level quite impulsively, we will open a trade with down, expecting a pullback from the resistance level, you know. Okay guys, there is a good upward impulse right to our resistance level and we can open a trade with down here. So let's wait for the results. Great, there was a strong pullback down and we are getting our profit. We have $453 in our deposit, so guys, we need to keep on. Here we can see support level. Also, we can see the price is dropping down quite impulsively. So I would like to open a trade with down for 1 minute during the impulsive downward movement. So breaking through the level, you know. 1 minute will be quite enough here. So guys, let's see the results. Well guys, it's a quite dangerous moment. The downward movement continued and after we closed the trade, the price immediately went up with an impulse. But we had time to close here with the profit. And thus we have $822 in our deposit. Well, it's a very good result. Let's go on. Here this is support level. Also we can see the price approached the level quite impulsively. After touching the level there as well as a pullback up, after which the price kept moving down. At the moment we see the price is sticking to the level. I think that support level will be broken through very soon, so I would like to open a trade with down for 1 minute. So guys, let's see the results. Great! After a small flat, the level has been broken through and the price went down. We are getting our profit. So I would like to open the next trade here again, expecting a pullback after breaking through the level. I think 1 minute will be quite enough here. Okay guys, we're opening a trade with up. Well, not bad. After breaking through the level, there was a pullback and we're getting the profit. Very good one. Let's go on. This is support level. Also, we can see the price pulled back after touching this level. I think this level will be broken through very soon. So I would like to open a trade. We're down here for 2 minutes, expecting that if there will be a small upward pullback or a flat, the price will continue to move down. Let's wait for the results. Excellent! After a small pullback, the price continued to move down and here we are getting the profit. The price has impulsively dropped down to a level, but this level hasn't been broken through and there is a small pullback up. So I better to open the next trade here again with 3 minutes with the reserve. I think it will be enough here to break through the support level and go lower. So, okay guys, let's wait for the results. It's good guys, the price is keeping down even though the level hasn't been broken through, but we are getting the profit here. So we have $6,298 in our deposit. So let's open the last trade for today and achieve our goal. Here, this is a resistance level. Also, we can see the price is coming to the level quite impulsively. So I would like to open a trade here. We're down for 1 minute, expecting a pullback of the resistance level. So let's see the results of this trade. It's great guys, there was a pullback of the resistance level and we're getting the brilliant profit here. So we have $7,118 and I have achieved my goal for today, so I can finish my trading for today. But now I would like to make a request for withdrawal of funds. So we click on the upper right corner of the screen on the withdrawal button and we are getting to the menu withdrawal funds. Here we set the amount we want to withdraw. I'm setting the amount of $7,000 and I will enter my card number in the empty field lower, but for financial security I will hide the card number, of course. Next we should set date the card is valid through. Sure, you will set your own data here. Okay guys, let's check if all the data we entered is correct and we are confirming the request for withdrawal of funds. It's excellent guys, my request is confirmed and accepted to process. Within 48 hours I will get funds to my bank card. Notice that bigger amount may be transferred to your cards in parts, but if the amount is not so big then most likely it will come in one payment. Well guys, you can find the link for this broker in the description under this video. You can go check, register yourself, try it, and I'm sure you will definitely succeed in it. As for me, I really suppose this platform is the best for me because it is very safe and my money is usually withdrawn in 2-3 hours and I have never had any problems with QUOTEX, even considering that I trade with the profit, you know. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, ready, comment, come to my Telegram, write me the code private in order to get into my private chat where you can find trading signals with a yield of 85%. It's very good actually, yes, and I give more details about my private trading strategy in this chat. You can look it, you can check it yourself, maybe you can copy that and make your own money with all these super details. So I'm very happy to see you here, so I'm waiting for you in the next video.